Now, another nice feature on these machines is the needle plate and the markings on here. So for example, if my needle is in the center needle position, my 1/8, my quarter, my 3/8, my 5/8 are already marked right here on the bobbin case, as well as on the needle plate itself. You'll also notice that there's 3 little markings here as well. These markings represent also the 1/4 inch, the 3/8, the 5/8, and so forth. So if you need a place to line up your pieces, it's nice to be able to have those markings as well. In addition, you have some angle markings right here on the plate. And you'll notice, for example, there's a 90-degree angle and a 60-degree angle, a 45-degree angle. And this is what's going to help those of you who are piecing at different angles to be able to line up your fabric according to this right here, and you'll be good to go.